got a really complex problem that you're struggling with at work, and you're walking down the hall and you happen to bump into your colleague, and you start to share like what the challenge really is, and all of a sudden the conversation turns and you realize what you've done is you've bumped into the smartest person in the building who has all the solutions for your challenge, and you walk away from the conversation feeling a little frustrated. I'm Marcia Acker, I'm the CEO of TeamCatapult, and I don't know about you, but I certainly have been in conversations where really all I wanted was a thought partner, not a problem solver. And yet here's the problem. From very early, we are trained to be problem solvers, to see a problem laid in front of us and to offer up the solutions, because we have a story that says that's what got us where we are, and that's what will help us continue to move forward. And what we're really learning is that in leadership and in working with teams, it's really not always the best approach. And so what we're all about is helping leaders, whether it's an Agile coach or Scrum Master, enterprise coaches, leaders, managers, really learn and grow skills, different kinds of leadership skills that move you from being problem solvers to enabling collective intelligence both in individuals and others. In our Agile coaching class, we start by teaching you the fundamentals of a different way of looking at interacting with others. We start with giving you tools and skills around coaching others, coaching individuals. We layer in concepts around mentoring, and then we take it to a team level and how to engage with teams in a coach-like manner that really develops them for higher performance. So imagine what it would be like to have all of your leaders and managers and Scrum Masters and coaches working from a space where they're engaging others in the conversation, where they're building collective intelligence within the teams that enables others to solve their problems. Because we come from a stance that others are completely capable of solving the challenges and problems in front of them. If this sounds like something that's of interest to you, we'd love to talk with you. Best way to do that, click contact us, schedule a call, and let's talk about if this coaching course is for you. Look forward to talking with you. Thanks.